Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to use Lottie files, Lottie animations in your Flutter app. And if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe, also like this video, and without wasting time, let's get started. Step 1 is to come to this website, lottiefiles.com, and choose the Lottie you want to use, download the file. Then in your root folder, create a new folder called assets and put the file you downloaded in this folder. Then you go to your prospect.yaml file, you scroll down until you see a place where asset is commented out. Uncomment it and add it just like you see it here. Also add the Lottie dependency in your prospect.yaml file, and now it's time to start coding. So in your body you have a center widget, and as a child you add your lottie.asset. There's lottie.network too, but because you have it as an asset, you add your lottie.asset and you add the path to your Lottie file. Then let's check our code. So this is the Lottie I'm using, this is the Lottie I'm downloading, and that's just how you can use Lottie files in Flutter. So easy. But what if you want to actually set up the animations by yourself? You want to control the animation and how it works. Let's see how you can do that now. Make sure you are using a stateful widget, and then in your state add this with ticker provider state mixing, and then have your animation controller right here, late final animation controller. We will initialize it in our init state, and now you create your init state. So here in the init state you assign the controller, initialize it, controller equals to animation controller, and then vsync will be equals to this. So you're probably asking, what does this vsync mean? Vsync is the required provider for the current context. The required provider, which is the provider, is the ticker provider mixing for the current context. So what's the current context? The current context is the current state we are, which is the this. That's why we are using the this. You can change it if you have another ticker provider mixing, but that's what we have here. So then you go into your Lottie, and then you have controller, you assign the controller to the animation controller you created above there, and also you have your unloaded. So you set the controller duration to po dot duration dot forward. So you are saying assign this, the controller duration should be equals to the Lottie duration, and then the Lottie should start going in the forward direction. So let's restart our app now, and then you can see the animation starts and then it stops because we just told it to start, which is the forward. There's for the repeat, and we can try using this right here in our floating action button if you want the animation to repeat. So in the unpressed, you have your controller dot repeat, and if you save this, go into our app and press the button, you can see it keeps on animating. The animation continues and continues. That's because we set it to repeat. Can also, there are various values you can assign. You can stop the animation right here if you press it, and it will stop. So guys, this is how you can use Lottie in your Flutter app. If you enjoyed this, kindly subscribe to the channel, also like this video and share to whoever you think might need this, and I will see you in the next lesson, guys.